Welcome back to Cities Pulse Explorers. Torshavn, Earth's smallest capital city explored. Below us, Torshavn emerges from the North Atlantic mist, a capital city unlike any other. Here, charming turf-roofed houses, fishing boats, and winding lanes tell stories of Viking roots and modern life. The ancient Tinganes Peninsula still echoes with history, grounding Torshavn's vibrant, forward-looking spirit. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Earth's smallest and perhaps most enchanting capital city. Our journey begins by the water, where Torshavn, Thor's harbor, was born. The harbor's magnetic pull is undeniable, its story woven with the Norse and the sea. From here, we wander through narrow alleyways and grass-roofed houses, discovering a city that honors its past while embracing the present. Suspended between Iceland and Norway, Torshavn is a hidden world, complex, vibrant, and full of surprises. Over 1,000 years ago, the Faroe Islands were a windswept wilderness, known only to seabirds and wandering monks. Then came the Vikings, explorers and settlers, drawn by uninhabited shores and the promise of freedom. Their longships landed in what would become Torshavn, Thor's harbor, a sacred, sheltered bay. Here, Norse settlers built homes, farmed, and forged a resilient society, shaped by the sea and storms. Their legacy endures, in the people, the language, and the spirit of Torshavn today. Let us know in the comment section if you will visit this place. Torshavn is a city shaped by nature, cradled between hills and the North Atlantic. Its weather and landscape define daily life. The ever-changing weather is a constant presence, shaping both the city's architecture and its people. Turf roofs and clustered houses offer shelter and warmth, blending tradition with practicality. Here, nature is never far. Residents balance city life with easy access to the wild, forging a unique harmony. Life in Torshavn and all of the Faroe Islands moves to the beat of the ocean. The North Atlantic isn't just a border, it's the main stage where Faroe's life plays out. From the food on their plates to the stories told to kids, the sea shapes who the islanders are. Rest, a special way of drying and fermenting fish, creates flavors unique to the islands. Legends like the Kapakonen, the seal woman, show the magical bond between islanders and the sea. The heartbeat of Faroe's culture has always been, and will always be, timed to the rise and fall of the tide. To truly connect with the soul of a nation, we must visit the places where its memories are kept. In Torshavn, that journey leads us to the National Museum of the Faroe Islands, Torshavn. More than a building, it is the guardian of the Faroes' story, from volcanic origins to modern life. Here, Viking artifacts and everyday objects reveal the resilience and ingenuity of the Faroes' people. The museum honors not just kings and battles, but the daily lives of farmers, fishermen, and families. It's a place where the story of the people and the land come together, inseparable, enduring, alive. Torshavn's story is written by the sea. Everywhere you look, the harbor and its boats show how deeply the city is tied to the ocean. Fishing shaped Torshavn, turning it from a small trading post into a lively maritime city. Traditional Faroes boats, inspired by Viking longships, still glide through these waters. The sea's bounty built fortunes and filled the city with stories of adventure. Torshavn's spirit is shaped by the ocean, its challenges, its rewards, and its ever-present echoes. To know Torshavn, you must know the sea. In Torshavn, every meal is an invitation to savor the island's wild spirit. Here, the food scene is as dramatic and surprising as the landscape itself. Local chefs draw deeply from Faroes' traditions, where the ocean's bounty and the land's rugged gifts shape every plate. Step into a cozy harborside cafe, and you'll find steaming bowls of rest lamb, its flavors deepened by the age-old art of fermentation. Sample freshly caught langoustine, or taste skerpikjøt, wind-dried mutton, sliced thin and rich with the tang of sea air. At the city's bustling fish market, the day's catch glistens. Cod, haddock, and sea urchin, destined for simple home kitchens and Michelin-starred tables alike. Modern restaurants like Cox and Raced reimagine these ancient techniques, transforming seaweed, rhubarb, and wild herbs into culinary poetry. Plates arrive as edible landscapes, each bite a story of weather, tradition, and innovation. Dining in Torshavn is never hurried. It's a gathering of friends, families, and travelers, sharing stories over open-faced sandwiches or sipping rhubarb-infused cocktails as the North Atlantic wind rattles the windows. Whether you're savoring a rustic stew in a timbered pub or exploring the tasting menu at a world-renowned eatery, the flavors of Torshavn are unforgettable. Here, food is more than sustenance. It's the living memory of sea, sky, and soil. Every bite connects you to the island's enduring rhythm and to the warm, creative heart of the world's smallest capital. To find Torshavn's true spirit, seek out its independent craft shops and markets. In the old town, artisans sell handmade treasures, each piece a story, a skill, a slice of Faroe's life. The Craft Market Center is a vibrant showcase of local creativity, filled with the earthy tones of Faroese wool. Iconic Seta-banded sweaters, hand-knitted shawls, and gloves are made from the island's unique wool. Beyond wool, you'll find jewelry inspired by Viking motifs, ceramics echoing the sea, and art capturing the island's wild beauty. Every item reflects the materials and spirit of the Faroes, authentic souvenirs with deep roots. Supporting these shops sustains local artists and preserves heritage. Each purchase is part of a tradition that connects designers, farmers, and makers across the islands. This is slow, thoughtful shopping, a reflection of Torshavn's pace and values. In these creative spaces, you find the heartbeat of the city's economy and culture. Here, tradition isn't just preserved, it's alive and thriving. The crafts of Torshavn are more than goods, they're living heritage. Discover the city's soul in every handmade piece. When evening descends on Torshavn, a different kind of energy awakens. This compact capital may be small, but its nightlife pulses with character and warmth. 4 notable venues stand out, each offering a distinctive taste of Faroe's evenings. Start at Circus Faroe, an eclectic hub favored by locals and travelers alike. Housed in a colorful wooden building, Circus blends quirky decor with a laid-back vibe. Here, live music and DJ sets fill the air, and conversation flows as freely as the local beer. It's a place to meet new friends and sample the creative spirit of Torshavn. Next, step into Blåbar, the city's intimate cocktail lounge. With its moody lighting and carefully crafted drinks, Blåbar is where bartenders turn mixology into art. It's ideal for slow conversations, inventive flavors, and a cozy escape from the Atlantic winds outside. For a taste of tradition, visit Café Natur. By day, it's a welcoming cafe. By night, it transforms into a lively bar with a rustic charm. Its wooden beams, live folk music, and friendly crowd create an atmosphere that feels both familiar and timeless. A crossroads for locals and visitors. Finally, find your way to Mikkeller, a craft beer haven tucked in the heart of the city. With over a dozen taps featuring Faroes and international brews, Mikkeller invites beer lovers to explore new flavors in a minimalist Scandinavian setting. It's a spot where stories are shared over pints and the night stretches on with laughter. In Torshavn, the night is never hurried. Each club and bar is an invitation to connect, unwind, and experience the city's warmth long after the sun has set. While Torshavn may be celebrated for its natural wonders and rich traditions, it also offers a modern shopping experience that blends local character with global flair. The city's 4 main shopping malls each provide a distinct window into Faroes style, craftsmanship, and daily life. Begin your retail journey at SMS, the largest mall in the Faroe Islands. Located in the heart of Torshavn, SMS is more than just a place to shop. It's a lively social hub. With over 30 stores, you'll find everything from high-street fashion brands and electronics to Faroes design boutiques. The bright, spacious interiors invite you to linger, whether you're browsing local woolens or grabbing a coffee in the bustling food court. Next, step into Midland, a boutique-style mall that specializes in quality over quantity. Here, independent shops showcase handcrafted jewelry, designer clothing, and unique home decor. Midland's cozy atmosphere makes it perfect for discovering one-of-a-kind Faroes gifts, and its artful displays reflect the creative pulse of the city. For a more relaxed experience, visit Skalatrud Shopping Center. This open-concept mall is favored by locals for its convenience and friendly service. With a mix of supermarkets, specialty stores, and practical services, Skalatrud is where everyday life unfolds. Pick up fresh Faroes produce, browse local bookshops, or enjoy a quick bite at a casual cafe. Finally, explore Torshavn's newest addition, Høyviksvegger Galleria. Modern and airy, this galleria brings together international brands and local labels under one roof. Its clean design and natural light make shopping a pleasure, while pop-up events and seasonal markets add a touch of excitement. Whether you're searching for fashion, tech, or Faroes souvenirs, Høyviksvegger Galleria offers something for every taste. In Torshavn, shopping is as much about the experience as the finds. Each mall invites you to slow down, explore, and connect with the vibrant spirit of the Faroe Islands, one unique store at a time. As we take one last look at the tranquil harbor, the quiet rhythm of Torshavn settles deep within us. This city's most lasting gift is an invitation to slow down. In a world that demands more speed and noise, Torshavn offers a powerful antidote. Here, you walk, observe, listen, and connect. It's a place that soothes your soul and lingers in your memory long after you've departed. Thank you for joining us on City's Pulse. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comment section if you will visit this place. See you in the next video.